how to install your lap siding that you've cut off of your Woodland Mills lap siding cutter. And this is how we do it. It'll give you a professional look every time. And what we do is we run a bumper molding all the way around to measure our cuts to. And you can see right here, we're bumped right into this. You can go the extra step and seal this with some clear silicone. You're not going to see it. All around we run the bumpers. We try to get our cuts as tight as possible. Also, going around a door, after you do your one side, best to measure off just to make sure you're running level. Everything's going to meet up equally at the top. I've already marked where each one of my laps should lie. So, quick trip on keeping it straight. The last install tip I've got for this is if you have a piece, we have a long piece here, and we need to seam it with another one, take a piece of sheet metal. I slip it behind the joint there. So if it happens to rain, boom, it'll hit your sheathing, get back onto your flashing, and then get out onto your head jam. So you've got no issue at all. And I cut a little shadow box into it, which gives me this relief. If you look, the siding, depending on how thick you cut it, mine is sticking up 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch past my board. So to make this shadow box molding, after you just cut it really quick on a table saw, you could even do a skill saw. It just covers up. Now you have a perfect place to actually glue this, get everything sealed, and now you've shadow boxed your molding. You can see I've installed it on the end piece right here already. I'm making your stuff look professional.